maybe I should bite my tongue. Save the air in my lungs. It doesn't matter what I say if we don't communicate. But you made me a believer, and I won't believe that it's the end. Please tell me all your reasons. You change your mind like the seasons.
Some dates look like fancy dinners and reservations, but on this day, ours looked like fresh air, a quiet lake, and trying out our brand new Intex Excursion Pro K2 inflatable kayak. And honestly, it was perfect. One of the things I appreciate about this kayak is how beginner friendly it is. It comes with its own manual pump, and even though it looks intimidating at first, pumping it actually took us less than 20 minutes. Section by section, chamber by chamber, we made sure everything was inflated to the recommended PSI. Using the pressure gauge was very important because you can see if you're pumping too hard or too soft, or if you're just right within the green zone. Once the main body was inflated, we added the two adjustable seats. They are surprisingly comfortable, with back support that makes longer paddles feel easy. There's also a footrest block to help you brace yourself while paddling, which honestly makes it feel a lot like a hard shell kayak. Once we had our life vest on, we were ready to get underwater. Even though we inflated the kayak by the car, the kayak is light enough that we could carry it down to the water together. No wobbling, no struggling, no stress, just excitement to spend some quality time together. We mounted our Insta360 camera onto the built-in attachment area, one of our favorite features because it frees your hands and lets you capture the experience without worrying about your equipment. We were able to both just relax and enjoy the beautiful weather, one of the last ones we had before summer was over. To be honest, the kayak felt sturdy, smooth, and stable, something important when you're out on the open water. With two adults on it, it wasn't too bad at all. So I wouldn't be surprised if it would do just fine with one adult and two toddlers. It was considerate to have the foot lock. It is nice to have somewhere to rest your foot while paddling. After about 45 minutes, we headed back to shore. We pulled the kayak out of the water and laid it out to dry while we set up a small picnic. Nothing fancy, just snacks, drinks, and a blanket. Sitting there watching the sunlight dance on the lake felt like the perfect ending to our little adventure. By the time we finished our picnic, the kayak had dried enough for us to fold it up. One of the biggest perks of this setup is how simple it is to pack away. We deflated each section, pressed out the extra air, folded it neatly, and it fit right back into the carry bag it came with. Thanks for spending this little outdoor moment with us. Here's to more simple dates, more sunshine, and more time out on the water.